Understanding SD card corruption.
SD card corruption can result from physical damage, improper ejection, or file system errors. This often makes photos disappear or become inaccessible. However, unless the card is severely damaged, your files may still be recoverable. It's important not to write new data to the card, as this might overwrite the recoverable photos and reduce your chances of success.
Preparing for photo recovery.
Before starting, stop using your SD card immediately to prevent further data loss. Find a reliable SD card reader and connect it to your computer. Download a reputable free photo recovery tool such as Recuva, PhotoRec, or TestDisk. These programs are safe, user-friendly, and widely documented for recovering lost or deleted files from damaged drives.
Using Recuva to recover photos.
Open Recuva and select your SD card from the device list. Choose the option to recover pictures. Start the scan and wait for the tool to detect recoverable files. Once the scan finishes, review the photos it finds and select the ones you want to restore. Save these files to a different drive, never back to the same SD card, to prevent further corruption.
Alternative free recovery tools.
The PhotoRec and TestDisk are powerful open-source recovery utilities. PhotoRec works well for recovering photos and other types of files, even if the SD card's file system is damaged. TestDisk can help repair corrupted partition tables. Both tools come with detailed guides, making them accessible for beginners. Always read instructions carefully before proceeding, as options may vary slightly by system.
When recovery fails.
If these tools do not recover your photos, the SD card might have severe physical damage or the files may be irreversibly corrupted. In such cases, consider contacting a professional data recovery service, but be aware these services can be expensive. To prevent future loss, always safely eject SD cards, regularly back up your photos, and replace cards showing signs of malfunction.